Yes. Now continue the problem. So Manoj comments business with cash. I already said how to deal the transaction. Then how to record the journal book. Cash account data to capital account. What is the amount? 80,000. 80,000 in debit column and 80,000 in credit column. Now go to the point second one. Deposited in bank. Deposited in bank. Amount deposited into bank. Who is the receiver? Bank is the receiver. So bank is the receiver means what date? Second date, January 2nd. So who is the receiver? Bank is the receiver. I deposited into bank. So from here to outside, cash go to outside. Who is the receiver? Bank the receiver. So that's why I wrote here bank account data to what will go to outside? Cash. So that's why cash account. So narration, what is the narration? Being deposited cash into bank. This is a narration of second journal entry. How much amount? 7,000, 75,000, and credit column 75,000. Then second one also over. Now goes to third one. Bought goods on credit from Srinath. They are clearly mentioned in this particular transaction. Bought goods on credit. On credit. This is not a cash transaction, but this is only credit transaction. On the time which is they are given in this transaction, now we are going to record with name. Okay, so bought goods on credit from Srikanth, from which we are receiving something. We are receiving something from Srinath. We receive something from Srinath. Then which purpose? Bought means buying, means purchasing. Remember students, bought is nothing but buying or purchasing. So this account goes to only purchase account. This account goes to only purchase account. So but which one we purchase? Goods on credit. This is not a cash transaction. This is not a cash transaction. This is only credit transaction. Bought goods on credit from Srikanth. From where? From Srinath. So Srinath is the giver. In purchase account, we are purchasing or buying of goods. So because of this is credit transaction. So right here. So what? Purchase account did what? Either purchase account in bracket goods to Srinath account. Srinath account. Now right here, same narration is being sold. Being purchased goods. So this is third one. This is 10th one. Fifth one, 8,000 and 8,000. Now journal entry is over. Right? Next, sold goods to Sridhar on credit. Again here purchase and here only sales. Quite opposite. Sold goods. We have sold goods to here the link. See here now observe the link here. Link is from means receiving and to means giving to other person. So sold goods to Sridhar from here to outside. So goods sold to goods going to outside on basis of credit. This is also credit sales. This is not a cash transaction. This is only credit transactions, right? So sold goods to Sridhar. On credit. Everyone see, sold goods to Sridhar. Which person we are selling? To Sridhar. Which person we have sold goods? Only Sridhar. Who is the receiver here only? Sridhar is the receiver, right? Again, 8. Sridhar account data to how to on basis of we have sold only sales account. On basis of we have sold only sales account. For example, we got cash. At that time we could not mention the name of Sridhar. Okay, so sold goods to Sridhar, purpose of sales account. Same, write down same narration, add only being same transaction, sold goods. How much? 10,000 and 10,000. Right. Next one, 10th one. Now leave it this kind of problems. Yes. Okay. So purchased machinery, payment made by check rupees 25,000 rupees. Purchased machinery. So everyone remember, I already said in few seconds back, again and again I tell you. So everyone who are dealing business transactions, they are involved. That is your transaction. That is your business. That is you also on that place. You are an accountant. That is your organization. Now, if you are feel like that, compulsory get the answer. Okay. Then purchase machinery, payment made by check. Now, all of you observe the check is nothing but it's a bank. All of you wrote when we are getting in this particular transactions through check. After that, we have to write only check is equal to bank. Okay, check is equal to bank. Purchase machinery, payment made by check. We are purchasing machinery. At the time of purchase machinery, we received only machinery. Then how do you pay the amount? Through check. Check in the sense, check in the sense, you can feel only bank. Okay, where it is deposited check, you are going to deposit into the bank. That's why we wrote only bank in the particular place of check. Okay. Yes, what is the general entry here? Machinery amount data to bank. Through check means through bank account. Now write the same narration. We purchased machinery. Then write enter the debit amount and credit amount. 25,000 debit column, 25,000 in credit column. Simply remember. Okay. Next, paid Srina by check 6,000. Paid Srina is other person. Paid to me, right? Paid Srina by check rupees 6,000. Sorry, paid Srina. Will pay to Srina. I paid to Srina. Paid Srina by check. Then how do you pay? Through check to Srina. So that's why. So paid Srina. Who is the receiver? Srina is the receiver, right? Srina account data. So how do you pay? Through check. Check in the sense bank. Then right here only bank. What amount? 6,000 in debit column and 6,000 is credit column. So this is a general entries of transaction. Now, but here already we should generalize the following transaction. We are already generalized. How many transactions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 transactions are we are generalized right now. Now these particular transactions right now our problem is ledger book. These particular transactions we are transferred into the ledger book. Now go to the point ledger. So we are already generalized. Up to here, up to topic is clear. Generalize the following transaction. We are already generalized. This is one step. And next transactions concerned in ledger account. Now we are transferred into this particular transaction to ledger book. Then how to transfer the ledger book? So we have one format of ledger account, right? We have one format of ledger account. Write down first of all how many accounts is there? Cash account and capital account and bank account and cash account again and purchase account and Srinath account and Sridhar account and sales account and machinery account and bank account and Srinath account and again bank account. Right here all of you. First how many accounts is there? First one is cash account. Second one capital account and third one bank account. And next one to cash again. Don't write again and again cash. Once we are created cash account, we are going to keep all the transactions in the particular table in a particular format. Don't write again and again. Cash account is over. Next purchase account. Purchase account And next one, Srinath account. Next, Sridhar account. Next, sales account. Next one, machinery account. And next one, to bank account. Already we are having bank account. No. Yes, we are having already bank account. Don't write again and again. So bank account. Next, Srinath account. We are having already Srinath account. Don't write. Next, bank account also clear. So how many accounts? Total 8 accounts are we are having in this particular ledger book. Now we are going to prepare the 8 ledger accounts. Okay. First, so what is the format of ledger book? I already said previous few seconds back. Ledger format is what? First one, date, particulars, JF, date, sorry, debit amount, date, particulars, JF, and credit amount. So this is the format of ledger book. Now we go to prepare the first one is which account? Cash account. Okay, right here cash book, cash account. Now right here cash account. So what is the transaction? Dear students, remember all of you, top of the format, top of the line, whenever we are wrote on the top of the line, now you have to treat it as a, this one is the debit side, this one is the debit side. Right here in DR left side and CR in right side. Which is we are right on the top of the line. The word is that statement is goes to only debit side column. See that? What is the first one? Cash account. So what is the first transaction? Cash account data to capital account. Right here now only we are preparing cash account. Cash account data to capital account. What is the date? 1997. Direct entry. This is direct entry. So that's why we wrote only directly. Okay, 1997 June 1st. So once again I tell you, see the journal entries, cash account data to capital account. So now we prepare the cash account data to capital account, to capital. And one more thing I given to you. So debit side we are having two options and credit side we are having from buy option. Okay, debit side we are having two options and credit side we are having from option. So this is a format cash account data to capital account. What is the amount? 80,000, right? Only debit amount 80,000. This is one amount. Now go to the second one. Next one is capital account, right? Capital account. Now prepare the capital. So I will prepare only short form capital account. So this is what debit and credit. So in this journal entry we are having cash is the debit, cash goes to debit side, and to capital account, capital are involved only credit side, right? Capital are involved in credit side. Now we prepare the capital account here. So I already said that which is including the top of the line, we treat it as a, this is what debit, this is what a debit statement. Now capital is debit side, right? According to this format, capital goes to debit side. In the form of denominator, entry on that time. Remember, buy. Then buy term is what? Cash account. Buy cash account. Now, what is the journal entry here? Cash account data to capital account. 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 Now we can write only reverse. Okay. Now we can write only reverse. So already said now. Once again I tell you. So top of the line, which is we are going to prepare one personal account, one individual account, then we are considered as a top of the line, considered as a debit always. So capital is credit side. In the format individual account, capital is debit side. And that time what will we do? What will we write? Now go to cash, go to credit side. That's it. So we study only in this capital account, cash account data to capital account. That's enough. How much amount? 80,000. So any capital account is there in the format of journal book or ledger book. Only we are having always only one capital account. Now it is closed. Now it is closed. So how much? 80,000. Again here also 80,000. So which is we are going to do the equal amount. Always we are calculation of equal amount. So debit side. So what is the date? 1997 June 1st, right? By cash 80,000. Transaction date. So here no amount. We have no amount in debit side. And that time we are going to write. So it is started. It is the start June 1st. Now write on that month of the June. Same year 1997. The month of June 31st. Every month we are closing the ledger book. June 31st. By balance carry down. C by D means carry. How much we are carrying at the month of June 31st? 80,000 we carry. So 80,000. Same amount equal 80,000. Next today 1997. Here right here 1997. Next today, June 31st is over. Next month is what? July 1st. This is closing balance on that day. And next month, that is opening balance, right? July 1st, by balance brought down. How much? 80,000. This is the closing of capital account. This is the closing of capital account. So which is we need? So in this format, which is we need, compulsory we will go to prepare the individual account. Compulsory we will go to prepare the individual account. Okay. Next one. Yeah. Capital account is over. It's clear. Okay. Please write down all of these students. Please write down all of this one capital account is over. Why? Because capital is only one time we will go to invest in the organization. So that's why capital only we are having only two transactions. Okay, capital account is clear. Just write down all of you. And next one. Yes, first transaction is over. Cash over capital over. Cash over capital clear. Next transaction bank account data to cash account. So now go to the bank account data to cash account. Now prepare the bank account. For example, bank account. Okay, bank account. This is debit and this is credit. Okay. So this is bank account. Okay. See this bank account according to the journal book what we are having bank account data to cash account direct entry, which is we are going to prepare first primary account. We are going to enter the direct entry. Now bank account data to cash account, bank account data to cash account, to cash account. What is January 2 second. So what amount? 75,000. 75,000. 75,000. Okay, so bank account clear. Then what is the opposite account? Cash account, right? Bank account regarding cash account over. Now go to the cash account. We are already prepared cash account. So cash goes to debit side, but here cash go to credit side. What will you do? Now go to credit side of bank. So buy. What is it? January 2. Buy. Now we can write simply buy bank. That's it. What amount? 75,000. Now, what is the transaction? Bank account data to cash account, bank account data to cash account, bank account data to cash account. Simple. Now we can write oppositely. Simple. Okay, 75,000. Next one, second one is over, and third one, bank account, capital account, purchase account. So purchase account, this one, purchase account data to Srinath. Now prepare purchase. Purchase account data, amount, date, amount. Okay, data, purchase account. So directly we are having purchase account. This tagline goes to debit. Now enter the purchase account data to Srinath. Purchase account data to Srinath. Date 1, 8, 2, Srinath. What amount? 8,000. Purchase account. Now we go to reverse. Now go to Srinath. Now prepare the Srinath account. So here Srinath is treated as a credit, but here Srinath is whenever we are preparing individual account, that person goes to debit side always. So we here credit side, but we are preparing individual account, and that person goes to debit side. Okay. Yes, date what? So purchase account data to Srinath account as per according to journal entry. So we are already wrote here. Now then write the individual account Srinath account. How do we write the individual account? Srinath goes to credit side, but here Srinath goes to debit side. And that time we are going to find the opposite. Why? Purchase. Simple. By purchase. Purchase account data to Srinath account. Purchase account data to Srinath account. Purchase account data to Srinath account. Simple. 80,000. Clear. Next account what? Sridhar account data to sales account. Sridhar account data to sales account. Next one. Here. Sridhar account. For example, what is the Sridhar account date what? 8th. Something date 10th. Sridhar account data to sales account. So Sridhar account, we will go to prepare the Sridhar account, individual account, right? So directly Sridhar account data to sales account, data and data. Sridhar account data to sales account. Simple. 2 goes to always debit side, buy goes to always credit side. Remember, 2 sales account. What amount? 10,000. Now prepare again which account? Sales account. We already prepared a sales account. No. Now you will go to prepare sales account. Here, sales account. So where is sales in journal entry? Credit side. But whenever we are going to prepare the individual account, that kind of transaction goes to on top of the line debit side of individual account. So sales already goes to debit side. So here we are not debit side. The reverse transaction goes to credit side. So Sridhar account data to sales account. Sridhar account data to sales account clear. But sales account here credit side and sales account here debit side. And that time Sridhar goes to credit side. Buy Sridhar. How much? 10,000. Right now, what is the transaction? Sridhar account data to sales account. 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 Clear? Next, sales account again. Sales account. What is the transaction